Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to an amazing edition of Awesomecallstrading.com. I am AJ. I'm your host today. I'm going to take about 8-10 minutes and just go through this real quick. I just spent a good 45 minutes to about almost an hour going over secret sauce today because it was very special today because we had a special trade that just you couldn't deny it. You couldn't not play it. Um, it was, I'm telling you, if you were new to trading, if you never traded before, um, if you are starting out, this would have been a day to get in here. If you're struggling and you just needed that one trade, well, today was your day. And that stock was called, it was our number notable call, Rita. Rita was an offering of 2.4 million. They actually upped it from 2 million to 2.4, which is not a big deal. They gave it a set price target of $183. So I told everyone in the chat room to buy it at 184, give it room for a bottom of 182, and do not look back. The stock will go to 190 or more. This happens to be the greatest 20-point trade any of you could have done in outside a room, inside a room. I don't care what penny stock room you're in. I don't care what Costa Rica boy is telling you to go do this between the lines and take and spy down a point. Nobody gives a fuck. You want to make some serious money and learn this game, trade offerings, bios, earnings, upgrades, downgrades, analyst calls, gap ups, runners, penny stocks. You get everything, but today belongs to Rita. And I want you to see if you had followed this one, and I even told everyone, I am playing Rita today because a lot of traders want to know what I'm going to trade today. Rita was my baby. And here it is. Ding, 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 ding. Called 182 at the bottom. There is your 182. And it's currently at $202. Rita. Plus 20 points. 10 shares. No. Don't tell me. Oh, I don't have an account that size. You could have took 10 shares, 1,600 volume, 1,800 buying power, and still made $200. 20 shares, 4,000 buying power, $3,800 buying power. 20 shares, you could have made 15 points or $300. So please I don't want to hear excuses. All right. If you were in our room, and imagine if you had 100 shares. $1,500 and you would have been done in 30 minutes of work. All right. It was just as well scripted. And I think the one thing that everyone is saying in our room at this moment is, can I have my 184s back? Can I have my 185s back? Do you know how terrific this trade was? I want you to look at some of these fills today. I mean, talk about a room. You want to see some of these fills? I was blown away. I had to comment on some of them. I want to show you one. Where is it? I think it was Nicholas. I just want to show it to you. Yeah, no, John. Look what John did. Can you believe this? 182.05, 183.04, 183. Are you kidding me? Are you looking at this? Look. Is this not insane? He started buying, and then he sold at 185. He bought at 186. He sold at 186.48. Bought at 192. He bought at 193. Look at these buys. Oh my gosh. Woo! It just blew me away. That was awesome. That really was awesome. Anyway, that was our number. I should have made our number one pick. Our actually number one pick today was just a small cap stock. It was a little bio play They received 25 million up front with AstraZeneca. I laughed at it, told everyone short it, add it on any pop. Do not long the stock, look for 270, and there's your 270, hit 270. I mean, it was your basic 101. I mean, all you had to do is read the headline, and so 330 to 270. And there's your bottom, 270. Next stock we did was Cisco. Cisco was fun today. I read their earnings report. You could see in pre-market that it really kind of double topped. So I called for a pop. It opened to 46 per my notes and a scale in short and take it down to $44. Pretty much hovered around the 44.60 area and stayed there. And I think that's bottom for the stock. Great trade today. Cisco at 46 on the top. And if you don't believe me, I wrote it right here. And I put Cisco right here at 43 as 46 on the top and then 43 to 44. WB gave horrific earnings today. Their guidance was just, I mean, just the guidance was just terrible. I called the stock to $43 today. The stock will trade between 42 and 44, which is 43. I wanted everyone to short the stock and add on any pop at the open and just for an all-day fader to 42 to 44, which is 43 a share. I want to share with you on WB. Really a great call. And if you took the trade, the stock is trading right now at $43 a share. If you were in our chat room, you would have got in at 47, added on any pop. You could have got in at 46, and there is 43 a share. The next stock that we did today was CPA. This was a beautiful, beautiful play. And we nailed this before the actual conference call, which is awesome. And I noticed this, the timeline was at 8 o'clock. So it allowed us as day traders to nail the trade. And I'll tell you the importance of that because I didn't want to. Typically, they do dump into the call and then they long the call. But on this one, I was reading the report. I kind of like, you know what? I better catch this before the call comes. So I put a bottom in on CPA at $110 a share. And that was the bottom, 109 to 110. And then I wanted everyone to long it. So I played this myself. And I'll show you the call. It was a number 10 pick. Bottom at 110 area and long it to 117 to 120. I want to see how accurate this call was. If you came in our chat room and you bought the 110, it hit 110.03, double bottomed. You see the bottom right there, 110.02. It just double bottomed. Do you see where it went? 116.88. I called 110 to 117. What a fucking call. I mean, and then after that, I didn't give a shit, you know? And 46 to 44. All right, and then 182 to 202. Next one we did today, a stock called Opera. I really liked this stock. It was really fun. Had to be quick on the eye on this one. Opera had really good earnings, and I told the traders the stock would not gap fill all the way, but I did say the stock would pull to 1050, and if it hit 1050 to long the stock with size, stock would go right back up to almost $12 a share. You're pretty much guaranteed to make about 2 points on this trade. It was a really fun trade. Nice pop at the open too. I called for a 1250 topping and then a sell off to 1050. Bottom curl and long back up to 12. It was well executed, well written down. It was just a great call right here. At 1250 topping and 1050 would be the bottom. And that was Opera. And I will share with you one more trade. I'm writing these down because I'm doing my charts for you later tonight. What else can I give you? I'm going to give you one more. It's called Ping Pong Ping. Ping Pong Ping. It's called Ping. Never traded Ping in my life. First time trading it. But hey, I'm not no newbie. So on Ping, I read the earnings report, and it told me that the stock had a value of about $18 a share. It was not going to gap fill. I like the earnings. So I wanted a quick pop at the open to 2050 to 21, and then I wanted to sell off down to 18. I was looking for 2 to 2.5 points to the downside, and then it would stop. It would not gap fill. I made it very clear at the open, all right, that the stock will pop between 20 and 21, which is 20.50, and then sell off 2 points to 2.5. That was it. And wow. And there it is, 20.50 top. That's a fat finger there, but look at the topping, 20.50. And then score 2 points, 18.50 is right there. And if you wanted more, it almost hit 18.26, 2.5 points. And just so you can see, Rita is continuing to climb now. It's 203 a share. So again, if you're in our chat room, you know, you get to enjoy this. This is what we're about. This is the epitome of awesome calls trading. We find those stocks. We trade things that nobody trades. But more importantly, we teach and educate. It's like a classroom, like you're in a university, and I'm the professor, and I'm orchestrating everything. But more importantly, I answer questions. I stop trading. I can't even, let me tell you something. If I didn't have the chat room, I mean, all you need is a few trades to trade. But when you have a variety of some of the greatest traders in the world all coming together, you have to give them variety. You have to teach them every aspect of it. There are rooms right now that only do a few stocks a day and they brag about it. Why trade 10? Why trade 12? Why do this? Why do that? Do you know why? Do you know why? It's not, there's a saying, I hate what I don't understand. And so all you can do is hate on a guy who can actually produce 10 or 12 quality ideas for a chat room of this size. Not everyone can trade Rita. Yes, it's a great trade, but some people want to trade Cisco. Not everyone can trade Cisco. So some traders only have enough money to trade Xcure. Okay? It's my job to give traders a variety. The only really issue I have is there's just all the trades have great alerts. We are at 90, 95, 97, 99% a day. So it's hard for a trader to pick which one they want. That's where the comfort comes in. Come in this room, give yourself a week, give yourself a couple weeks, give yourself one full month to get it all in, and then you start attacking what stocks best fit you. It could be a $20 stock. It could be a $40 stock. I would hate to get in, but every fucking day the guy's telling me to trade Amazon, fucking SPY, and Apple. I mean, life is more than that. You're not going to survive in this business doing the same shit day in and day out. Your brain needs, and day trading needs to be absorbed. You can't keep doing penny stocks, trying to nail the tops and the bottoms. You're not going to last. That's not trading. All right. To me, trading is trading offerings, bios, analyst calls, earnings, upgrades, downgrades. I mean, chatter noise, uh, disasters. I mean, everything. This is bio plays. You know, you got to trade everything. So when the market isn't flourishing like it does, you want to be that trader that just keeps going because this is a lifestyle. This is a job. This is not a hobby. This is a place that you can really make a true living, making $300,000 a year, just being a consistent trader, making 500 to 1,000 a day, and you can do that. You can. In this room, you can. Just got to give yourself some time and quit knocking yourself down when you're down. If you come from other rooms, don't worry. We're going to shift the way you were taught there, and we're going to teach you what we see. We're not perfect, but we're damn near. And that's what makes our room so special. And we'll continue to grow and grow and grow. And let's be honest, 15 chat rooms came here from a reason. All right. All right. So there's something going on in here. So come be a part of our great room. Thank you so much. All right. Take care.